In this video, we'll be looking at the cable tool, which is your primary drawing tool in block schematic and pictorial schematic drawings. In these drawing types, symbols have inputs and output stubs, and at the point where those I/O stubs meet the red outline of the symbol, there is a connection point to which cables can attach. So we select the cable tool, and as we approach the output stub, you can see a blue highlight. Click once to start your cable and click again to get a single segment straight connection. Another way of drawing a cable is to click once to set that start point and then click to set each subsequent node. Let's do that again. Here I've gone a little bit too far, so I can use the backspace key on my keyboard to remove that node and then reset the nodes in the correct place. Another way of drawing a cable is to simply click and drag, and this gives me a 3-segment cable that we call a dogleg. Using that technique, it's easy to create more sophisticated interconnections with your cables. Returning to the selection cursor just by hitting the escape key, I can pick up a symbol and move it, and a feature called rubber banding ensures that my cables stay connected. Let's undo that. I can move elements of cables by clicking the center handle on a segment. That moves the whole segment. If I move an endpoint, just that endpoint will move. And if I realize I've got more segments than I need, I can right-click to delete a node, or do that again, to optimize the number of segments in my cable. Cables also support auto cable bridging, so by checking the Cable Bridges button in the toolbar, we now get a little bridge which shows where cables cross over but do not intersect. And new in Stardraw Design 7.4 are cable fillets, which add rounded corners to your cables. So that's the cable tool. It's very quick, very easy, a good way to get the job done. Thank you for watching.